Hello guys, hope you are doing great. Today we'll be talking about no longer. If you want to know the use of no longer, this video is for you. By the end of the video, you will be able to use no longer in your conversation easily. So let's start. Alright guys, the first thing, no longer, it means in Urdu, ab ya आइंदा nahi. Ab ya आइंदा nahi. In English, it means something has stopped happening or not true anymore. Something has stopped happening or not true anymore. For example, I used to be in Karachi long ago, right? I'm talking about 2012 and 13 and 14 and 15. So I was there, right? I used to live there. So I'm not there right now. I'm here in Aptabad, right? So I would say, I no longer live in Karachi. It means I used to live in Karachi, but now I don't. Alright, I mean you can use it in different tenses, but I'm going to teach you in present simple, right? So first we use subject. So what is subject here? That is I. I've taught subject, verb and object. There are so many videos you can watch, right? So what is subject here? That is I. Next, that is no longer. So I've used the same, no longer. And next we have to use first form of the verb, that is talk. An object, that is him. I no longer talk to him. It means I used to talk to him, but now I don't. I don't talk to him anymore. I did, but in past I used to talk, but not now. Once again, subject, that is I here. Next, no longer. You have to use no longer. I did the same. I used no longer. Next, that is first form of the verb, which I've used, live here. Next, that is Karachi. I no longer live in Karachi. It means I used to live in Karachi, but now I don't live there. It means I don't live there anymore. Used to is a structure I've taught, and if you want to watch that video, so you can find in playlist. I've taught both used to plus first form and used to plus first form with ing, right? So I talked about the differences. What is the difference? I'm used to cooking and I used to cook. Second thing, we can also use it in condition as I've used here. For example, he is no longer my friend. It means he used to be my friend, but now he is not my friend. It means he used to be my friend, but not anymore. And the second one, she is no longer my enemy. It means she used to be my enemy, but now she is not. So that is how you can create a lot of sentences with this tense as well as with the rest of the tenses. Once again, action. I no longer watch dramas. It means I used to watch dramas, but now I don't. She no longer watches TV. It means she used to watch TV, but now she does not. It's a very small lesson. I hope you have got it 100%. And you guys have to practice with different tenses. I mean over here in present simple, so that you can master it. Remember, practice makes the man perfect. The more you do, the more you learn. If you do, you're going to remember longer. That's it for today. See you next time. Take care. Goodbye. Do remember me in your prayers.